Hi, I'm Varsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com, and in this video we are going to learn about data handling, and in data handling we are going to learn about interpreting and drawing bar graph. But before moving to our today's topic, we'll try a warm-up question. Here is a question for you. To try this question, you can pause the video. So as you can see that in question number 1, there is a table being given which shows the monthly expenditure of Aurora family on various items. So as you can see that in this table, on the left hand side the items are listed, and on the right hand side the expenditure accordingly, and we need to depict this using line graph. So what we can do, if we want, we can put the expenditure on the y-axis and items on the x-axis. Then we can draw the graph on it. So here's the answer of this question. You can match the answer. Now we move ahead and we're going to learn about bar graph. So basically a bar graph is a chart that uses horizontal or vertical bars of equal width to show the comparison among the different categories of the data. So bar graph look like this graph. This is a vertical bar graph, and a horizontal one would be like this. But make sure that the bars should be of equal width. Now we move ahead and we'll try a question. Here is a question for you. As you can see that in this question there are number of students represented on the y-axis and name of the month is represented on the x-axis. And question number 1 says that we need to find out the number of students having birthdays in the month of June and July. So as you can see that in the month of June, if we run across this vertical bar and we move above, we see that the total number of students out here is 10. So for the month of June it is 10. Similarly, we can find out for the month of July, which is 6. In the next question it is been asked that find the number of students who have their birthdays in the month of December. So in the month of December, as we run our finger across this tip of this vertical bar, we can say that it would be 7. So the answer is 7 over here. Now here is a practice question for you. To try this practice question, you can pause the video. So as you can see that this bar graph represents number of customers on the y-axis and the month on the x-axis. And the first question says, what is the total number of customers in all the months? So we need to find out the total number of customers in all the months. So for that, first we'll calculate for the month of January, which is 200, for the month of February, which is 300, for the month of March it is 500, for the month of April it is 400, for the month of May it is 100, and now we need to add them all together to find the total number. So to add them all together, we can write this in a column method and then we can add them. So it would be 0 add 0 would be 0, 0 add 0 would be 0 again, and here it would be 2 add 3, which is 5, 5 add 5, which is 10, 10 add 4, which is 14, and 1, which is 15. So it is 1500, 1500. And for the next question is, which month have the highest and the lowest number of customer? So by looking at the bar graph, we can say that the highest is in the month of March and the lowest is in the month of May. So this is the answer of the question. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.